Hi guys. So, we're about to salo-salo. Hi kayo.
I will say that. Hi, vlog! Naomi! Sarang dito na. Hi!
Dapat hindi ka.
Ano pala, dental check-up pala.
Ano yun kasi yan? Attack on Titan. Ano tawag ng Titan? Ano wala?
Hungry. Sarap.
Recording.
Can you check my location? Nasa US.
Okay. Is it yummy?
So good.
Hey!
Wow, ang ganda naman ng pila na to. Okay, gonna go now. Bye-bye.
Sino? Sino talaga sa inyo?
Dami na kag kailangan.
Wait, hanap tayo ng...
Hi guys.
Mas gumawa.
Okay. No to FOMO, guys. Okay, let's go picture. I'm with.
Partsky, Patrick. I'm here with...
Ako ngayon!
Welcome to UST. So it's our first Paskuhan together with the girl.
Hello? Anybody?
So, how's UST so far? Well, it's not very good. So I recommend you not to take the ustet and just live your life because you don't want to regret.
I love you.
Yeah, the joke lang. The events are very fun and the people are very nice. It's about the people. But the workload and everything, oh my gosh, you cannot.
Guys.
Ayun na pala.
Ingay ang init ng putik. Tuna ako. Ben, this is for you.
Ngayong araw na magiging liwanag at mag-asa tayo para more than the light and the most awaited fireworks display.
Tangilang gulo na po ako.
I look, you wanna go home now.
Inom na lang tayo.
Tara.
Hello, I'm Sophia from the Kumasian Chuchu. And how's your experience so far with Paskuhan?
Fuck you. Fuck everything. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit.
Kamusta mga paa niyo?
Basang-basa.
Na-enjoy niyo
Ramdam ko
pa
na sa
naman
socks
so
ko.
far ang Paskuhan?
What?
Na-enjoy mo ba so far ang Paskuhan?
No.
Ron, tumutulo yung buhok ko.
Yeah, para kang naligo. Para kang you just got out of the shower. Ba't yung kay Jana, ito yung sa'yo?
Oo, kay Jana. Sa kanya payong ko eh. Hey! Ben, I'm gonna see you, okay? Wait for me. I'm freezing! Ang lamig!
Magandang gabi kapangyarihan